Hello, wonderful members of Crew Cymraeg. Did you know that many years ago they gathered around these mystical stones of Pentre Ifan? They shared stories, wisdom, and even their version of Cymraeg. So today, I've got some top tips that spell out Welsh. Yep, we're turning those letters into your secret formula for encouraging your pals to use their Cymraeg. Tip 1. W. Wow them with Welsh. Use your Welsh with everyone to spark conversations. Use catchy phrases and expressions like "Ma hi'n bwrw hen ragedd a ffyn," which means it's raining old ladies and sticks. That'll make your pals go, wow! Teach me that. Tip 2. E. Embrace everything Welsh. Find cool things that are Welsh related, like books, music, apps, games, and share them with everyone. Tip 3. L. Laugh and learn. Organise Welsh-themed days with laughter and learning. Here are some ideas for Welsh-themed days you can organise. Dydd Gŵyl Dewi Sant, St David's Day. Dydd Music Cymru, Welsh Language Music Day. Dydd Santes Dwynwen, Welsh Valentine's Day. And Do Not Should My Day. Remember, celebrating these special Welsh days are not only educational, but hwyl a spree. Tip 4. S. Support. You're supporting your Cymraeg campus journey. Your school's Welsh journey is a team effort, and you're a vital part of it. Tip 5. H. Help each other learn. Offer a helping hand when your pals stumble on Welsh words. Together, you'll conquer the language world. And there you have it, the Welsh formula to make Welsh language learning a fantastic journey.